I blew the budget. I feel like it was worth it. I saw them in an aqua blue color, and when the sale hit, they had plenty of sizes. I said, you know what? I'll just get the black. Depending on how they fit, I'll order the second pair. I could have just bought both and returned them. That's what I could have done, but I didn't. And now I'm just left with one. At least I got one. That's the bright side, right? At least I got one. This is super cute. This feels amazing on. Like, oh my gosh. Pockets. I absolutely love this. Like, this, I can't even. This really feels amazing on. Oh, the details. Ooh, the color. This is spring. This is fall. I could even wear this in the winter. And you know what? I could I could lower it down like this. I could wear it just like this. Just like this. Oh my gosh. Oh. I'm just gonna tie it just how I normally would tie it. And I saw this for a while. This was on my wish list. When the sale happened, oh, this color. Look at this color. Oh. This is the back. Oh. I just knew something out of this haul I wouldn't want, and I want everything. Everything I got, I absolutely love. Oh. Let me show you the details in the buttons. You see this here? Yes. Nice belt. The belt also has the Michael Kors. There we go. There we go. Oh man, I just love this. I love this, I love this, I love this. Let me get a little stand up here. Love it. I love it. I love this. This, I feel like I love this more than my Burberry, honestly. This is a little bit different. We love step in. Now I have my bodysuit on, and you know, when I wear it, I probably won't have the bodysuit on, so just got to use your imagination. So it's like this ties up right here, and so just imagine it without the bodysuit. But honestly, I could wear this with something underneath as well, but it ties up. See the little split that it has here. You can see the back. I would probably throw a belt on with this. Yeah, look at this. See, I could just tie this up just like this. Just like this. Have a nice, oh gosh. I didn't think that I would love all of these pieces this much. I really didn't. And I love them so much. So much. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Beautiful. Should we end it here? Should we end it? I think we're gonna end it here. Yeah, I think we're gonna end it here. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave any questions that you have in the comment section below. I will leave links to everything in the description box, as well as my information if you want to connect with me on another platform. I will see you on Sunday. I'm trying to become consistent with posting. It gets a little difficult, but I will see you on Sunday. Bye.